Today, we're excited to share the latest updates on Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Tab S10 series. Get ready to experience premium Android tablets like never before. Samsung has officially launched pre-reservations for the Galaxy Tab S10 series in India, starting at just 1,000 Indian rupees, approximately $12. You can also pre-reserve via Amazon India, Flipkart, and other channels. We're excited to share the latest update on Samsung's flagship tablet series. Get ready to experience the power of One UI 6.1.1. Verizon users can download the update now, while AT&T and other carriers are expected to roll out the update by the end of the week. This year, Samsung's high-end tablets are getting a major overhaul. Say goodbye to the basic model and hello to the Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and Tab S10 Ultra? The biggest surprise? Samsung is ditching Snapdragon for a MediaTek chip. This move could bring significant performance enhancements and power efficiency. While the design remains largely the same, Samsung has introduced a sleek new color scheme and anti-reflective coating on the screen, first seen on the Galaxy S24. The Galaxy Tab S10 series retains its stunning 12.4-inch and 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X displays. Plus, storage options now include up to 1 TB and support for 1.5 TB microSD cards. The Plus model gets 12 GB of RAM, while the Ultra might come with 12 GB or 16 GB RAM options. With the MediaTek Dimensity 9300, expect seamless performance and efficiency. The Galaxy Tab S10 series retains its impressive camera setup, 13MP primary, 8MP ultrawide, and 12MP front camera. The Ultra model adds a 12MP front-facing ultrawide camera. Plus, enjoy 10,090 mAh and 11,200 mAh batteries with 45W wired charging. The Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra supports Wi-Fi 7, while the Plus model stays on Wi-Fi 6E. Both tablets will receive 7 years of updates, starting with Android 14 and going up to Android 21. This year, we'll see two Galaxy Tab S10 variants, the 12.4-inch Plus and 14.6-inch Ultra. Pricing remains unchanged, starting at €1,119, approximately $999, for the Plus and €1,339, approximately $1,199 for the Ultra. Interestingly, Samsung will employ different CPUs depending on the region. The US will get a Snapdragon chipset, while other countries might see a MediaTek engine. That's it for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series. Are you excited about these premium tablets? Share your thoughts in the comments below.